How to download Webull application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily download Webull application on your Android device. So it's an easy process. So first thing, just head over to your anywhere. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for Webull application just like this. And once you search in for that, just scroll down and click on this second option, that is the official Webull application. And for your confirmation, it has over 10 million plus downloads. So you can just tap on this install button over here just like this, and to successfully install the Webull application on your Android device, you just have to wait for a few seconds. Based on your internet connection, it will be automatically downloaded as well as installed on your device. So once the application is successfully installed, just tap on this open button to successfully open the application itself. And from over here, you can either sign up or log in based on your choice to your account just like that, and start using Webull application. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.